Welcome to our channel. Local festivals offer unique insights into a destination's culture and traditions. Step 1. Research annual festivals and events at your destination well before booking your trip. Step 2. Check exact dates as many festivals follow lunar calendars or vary yearly. Step 3. Book accommodations early, as festivals often attract crowds and fill hotels quickly. Step 4. Learn about the festival's cultural significance and proper etiquette for participation. Step 5. Arrive early to secure good viewing spots for parades or performances. Step 6. Dress appropriately for the event, considering both weather and cultural expectations. Step 7. Bring a camera but be respectful and ask permission before photographing people. Step 8. Sample traditional foods and drinks associated with the festival. Step 9. Participate in activities when invited, but respect boundaries if certain rituals are reserved for locals. Step 10. Stay aware of your belongings in crowded spaces. Step 11. Engage with locals to learn stories and meanings behind traditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.